This video I will show you how to make YouTube videos without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using ChatGPT. Okay, I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, how you can make YouTube videos without showing your face, and you can start your own YouTube channel and start making YouTube videos, and you can grow your YouTube channel so you can start making money on YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. So first you need to choose specific topics that people are interested in. If you make a YouTube video about one of those topics that people will be interested to watch, you can grow fast and people will watch your videos, and you can get views and subscribers, and you will grow your YouTube business fast. Okay, so let's start with the niche. We need to choose specific topics that people will be interested to watch. You just need to go to your YouTube homepage, then click on the search over here and ask question. You can ask question. For example, so let's say, for example, e-commerce, how to. Okay, all right, for example, e-commerce how to. You will find a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube. As you can see, people are searching for e-commerce, how to get started, e-commerce, how to start, e-commerce, how to find product, e-commerce, how to make money, e-commerce, how to sell. If you make a YouTube video about one of those topics, you will get views because people are searching for those videos. Okay, and you can grow fast. So for example, I will choose e-commerce, how to start. So for example, I will go to ChatGPT and I will ask ChatGPT, make a YouTube script about how to start e-commerce. Okay, I will click over here and ChatGPT will make an amazing YouTube script for your video. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT started making our YouTube script about how to start e-commerce because people are searching for e-commerce, how they can start e-commerce. We will make a YouTube video about this topic. As you can see, ChatGPT started creating our script. I will stop it over here just to show you. So for example, this is the intro. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to start e-commerce business. E-commerce is the buying and selling of good and services. As I will copy, what you need to do is you just need to copy this script. I will copy this script, for example. Now I need to turn this script into voiceover. I will go to this website, go to Google and search for Podcastle AI. Just go to Google, search for Podcastle AI, click on the first link. This website will turn your script into voiceover, and you can sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy. You will just use your email address to sign up. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to click over here on create, then click on convert text to speech, click over here and put your script here. I will put my script, for example, here. This is my script. Click on this icon over here. Okay, and they have a lot of voiceovers that you can check and choose which one you like to use for your YouTube videos. So for example, I like to use, for example, this one, James. Then click on generate, and this website will turn this script into voiceover for free, of course. And if you want to get the paid version, you can click over here on upgrade. I just use the free version over here, and my voiceover is ready. Let's check this voice.
Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to start an e-commerce business. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services online, and it's a great way to
Alright, as you can see, my voiceover is ready. I will click on export, then click on export file, and your audio will be ready to download to your laptop. You just need to wait a few seconds, and there you go. This is my voiceover now is ready. I will click on download, and my voiceover will be downloaded to my laptop. What you need to do next, now you have script, you have voiceover ready. Now we need to make the video. You just need to go to Canva. Okay, we will use Canva to make a YouTube video. Okay, Canva is free website. You can go to Google and search for Canva. You can sign up using your email address. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page. You just need to come to this page, scroll down, and you can see over here video. Click on video. You just need to follow those steps that I'm showing you in this video, and you will make an amazing YouTube video. Okay, I'm making this video super easy for you guys, as you can see. So you just need to click on the video. It will take you to this page. What you need to do next is you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. So you just need to click over here on upload. You can see over here upload. I will click on upload. Okay, then click on upload file, and download your voiceover to your Canva account. Upload your voiceover to your Canva account. I will click over here on audio. You should find your voiceover over here. If you didn't find your voiceover, just do it again. I will click on this, my voiceover, and here you go. This is my voiceover. As you can see, it's now uploading to my Canva account. I will click on my voiceover, and my voiceover will be in this page. I will click on add page. Okay, add page, and I will add more page, as you can see. All right, this is my voiceover, and click on the first page. You just need to click on the first page, then click over here on element, and click over here on search, and search for hello, and search for videos. Click on videos. I just want to make short video saying for example hello in my first video. I will delete this. Click on the first page because we want to add this one in the first page, and choose which one you want to use. Click on the short video. It will be over here. Click on this 3 point, then click on set video as background, and click over here like that. You can make it short or you can make it long. You can control it over here. I will make it short. I want to just use this one in the first. Click on the next page, delete this, and search for e-commerce. Okay, here you go. Search for e-commerce, then click on videos. You will find a lot of videos about e-commerce business. Okay, so for example I will use this one. Just click on the short video that you want to use, then it will be over here. Click on this 3 points, set video as background, and your video will be over here. Then come to this, put this flash over here, and you can control the video if you want to make it short or long. I will make it short. Next page, click on the next page, choose another video about e-commerce. It will be over here, and set video as background. So you just need to keep doing like that. Okay, and we will make an amazing YouTube video about e-commerce and how people can start e-commerce business. As you can see, we'll make this one short. Next page, add this one, 3 points again, set video as background. It's easy. As you can see, it's easy to make a YouTube video. It will only take few minutes from you to make a YouTube video. And by the way guys, this business, this niche on YouTube is very profitable because it is talking about e-commerce business. Okay, if you make YouTube videos about this niche and you monetize your YouTube channel, you can make a lot of money with this niche about e-commerce. Okay, just keep scrolling down until you find videos that are related to e-commerce business, because our video is just about e-commerce business. Click on the next page, then scroll down and search. Just keep searching for more videos about e-commerce business. As you can see, this one, I will add this one too. I like to use this one. Next page, scroll down, this one too, about e-commerce. Set video as background, make the video short. Next page, so we just keep scrolling down until you find a lot of videos that are related to e-commerce. Okay, we'll use this one. Okay, then click between those pages over here and click on add transition. Choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make your videos more professional. I just like to use this simple one. I will click on apply between all page, and your transition will be applied between all your page. Now our video is ready. Let me show you this video, guys. Let's check this video.
Hi everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to start an e-commerce business. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services online, and it's a great way to reach a large audience and grow your business. In this video, we'll cover the basics of starting an e-commerce business, including how to choose a product, build a website, and market your products. Step 1. Choose a product. The first step in starting an e-commerce business is to choose a product that you want to sell. Consider your interests, skills, and market demand.
Alright guys, here you go. Let me know in the comments what's your opinion about this video that we made in just few minutes. And after you finish editing your video, click over here on share. You can see over here share. Down, scroll down, click on download, then click on download again, and you will just need to wait a few minutes and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and start your own YouTube channel and upload videos that people are searching for, so you can grow fast and those people will be interested to watch those videos because they are already searching for those topics. That's how you can start your own YouTube channel using ChatGPT and Canva and Podcast AI. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I will still share more videos about how you can create any videos that you want, about any niche you want. I will still share more videos in this channel, so make sure to subscribe and see you in my next video.